Hey students, this is my story of academic misconduct, where I almost got suspended from the university. I am making this video to educate my fellow students to not to indulge in any kind of academic misconduct and also remind them of the possible consequences of violating any academic integrity policy. Coming to my story, I am pursuing my masters at MTU. I was very fortunate to get a co-op with a leading multinational manufacturing company in spring 2017. As I was on a co-op, I had registered for a co-op course credit, and as a part of that course, I had to submit a mid-semester supervisor evaluation form. The instructor for that course has sent a mail 2 weeks prior to the deadline asking to schedule a meeting with the supervisor and discuss about the evaluation. At that point of time, I thought I have still 2 weeks of time and I thought I could schedule a meeting with my manager closer to the deadline, but unfortunately, I totally forgot about the evaluation. On the weekend of the deadline, I checked my Canvas account and found that I had to submit supervisor evaluation form, which I have not got it done from my manager. So instead of mailing the instructor asking for an extension of deadline, I filled out the supervisor evaluation form by myself and submitted it on Canvas. 1 week later, after the course instructor evaluated the supervisor evaluation, he made a comment that the language of the evaluation doesn't seem to come from a manager and wanted to contact my manager and check if it was given by him. At that point of time, I accepted my guilt to the course instructor that I have done the evaluation by myself, and later the course instructor has reported the incident to the academic integrity department. After explaining the incident to the course instructor, I had informed my manager as well about this incident. My manager was very disappointed and he asked me why I had to do this. Then I explained him about the entire incident that had happened. So generally these kind of incidents happen if there was any performance issue. I genuinely didn't have any performance issue, which my manager also believes that. So he felt that it was a case of following shortcuts just to meet the deadlines, and he advised me not to have that kind of attitude in a professional world and suggested me to be honest if I was not meeting any deadlines. So coming back to the incident, after the incident was reported to the academic integrity held a restorative conduct conference with my academic advisor, course instructor, my manager and myself. In that conference, we discussed about the incident and I explained about the circumstances under which I had to do this, as well as the harmful impacts of my actions on all of them as well as on MTU. And also we discussed about the consequences of my actions. From that conference, the consequences of my actions were decided that I would be receiving an official written warning violating the academic integrity policy, and if in future I violate any other academic integrity policy, more severe sanctions would be imposed on me. I would be receiving a 0 grade on that assignment. And finally, I had to make an educational video about my incident to educate more students about these kind of activities. So today, after going through all of this, if I sit back and think of this incident, the only thing that really haunts me is some of the consequences. If it were implemented on me, my career would have been ruined. Because some of the consequences of my actions were like I could have been terminated from my co-op, which would have been a bad remark on my professional career. I could have received a failing grade on for the co-op course, but fortunately I just received 0 grade on that assignment. This incident could have led my academic advisor not signing off my OPT documents. So students, I advise you that before taking any decision, think one step ahead so that you will be able to make a right decision. Because in my case, I was at that point of time I was just thinking about the grades and the deadlines. Had I thought about the consequences of my actions, I would definitely guarantee you that this kind of incident wouldn't have happened. After experiencing this incident, I realized that I have done two mistakes that have resulted in this incident. The first mistake is procrastinating the meeting schedule with my manager. I should have immediately scheduled a meeting as soon as I received the mail from my instructor. My lazy and procrastinating attitude was the prime reason for this incident. The second reason would be not talking to my instructor regarding the extension of deadline. The biggest learning from this incident is also never assume things, because I assumed here that the instructor would not extend the deadline. So students, I advise you that don't procrastinate your homework or assignments or projects, and don't be greedy for grades. It's okay if you get 0 grade on that particular assignment, and If you are not able to meet the deadlines, always talk to the professor, because most of the time they might extend the deadlines. So this comes to the conclusion of this video. I hope everyone who watched this video could take something out of this, so that these kind of incidents wouldn't repeat again. And finally, thank you everyone for your patience.